Hi guys, welcome to another video in Roblox. I think I'm going to be doing more videos on Roblox just because it's easier and for those reasons. But let's do it. So just joining the server now. Playing Shark Bite. So we spawn in the lobby. And I can't move at the moment. Give me one. There we go. Just have to wait until this starts. So it's a lobby. And as I'm waiting, I'm running in this. Another moon. Used to move. There's the shark. We'll just used to move this pirate ship used to move, but it doesn't now. I'm back when it starts. Okay, I'm back. It was actually quicker than I expected because the shark actually killed everyone. Yeah. And we only got 10 seconds. Got 100. Oh, chest chase. Loot. Chest. Who is gonna shark? Please don't be me. These boats. Oh, what boat? Easter boat. Go on the ducky boat and oh yeah. One and the shark has been released. That's the shark there. And let's go out here. Turn. So it's basically a game of survival. I'm not sure it's the shark though. I'm guessing. Because look, another ducky boat. And this is not one of those boats, so meh. It's my fastest, but not the best. Because I have no idea where the shark is right now. Maybe that's the aim of the game. Do not know where the shark is. Okay, anyway. I wish there was like some way of tracking the shark. Because oh my god, there's the shark. Oh god. Think we got out of it? Why is everybody oh that's that guy. Oh, where's the shark? I'm a shark hunter. Wanna hunt this shark. Got an the good thing about having another person in the boat is because you can try and find the shark and they can try and hunt it down. Why is it that way? Whoa, whoa. Okay, maybe stop rocking the boat. Oh my god. Holy dooly. Now look what's happened. You capsized the boat, dude. Capsized it. Why did you capsize the boat? Some things you never know. You never will know. Okay. Help us. We're on a deserted island. Why are you shooting the boat? That's my boat, bruh. It's my boat. Bruh. Haha. Okay. Guess the only one actually. Try and survive without a boat. In the ocean. With a mindless mind shark on the loose. Is that a shark? Got my gun at the ready. Better reload. Just in case. Where's the island? Did I get to the... Oh, I think I just found the best way to survive. Drive to the island. Oh yeah. So that was Shark Bite. So I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.